Hey there, breakfast lovers. Did you know that one simple addition to your morning routine could supercharge your day? That's right, I'm talking about avocados. These creamy, delicious fruits are not just Instagram worthy, they're packed with nutrients that can transform your breakfast into a powerhouse meal. Stick around to discover the 8 amazing benefits of adding avocados to your breakfast, and trust me, your body will thank you. First things first, why avocados? Well, these green wonders are loaded with essential vitamins like C, E, K, and B6. Plus, they're brimming with minerals like magnesium and potassium, not to mention healthy fats and fiber. Basically, they're like nature's multivitamin in a fruit. Imagine starting your day with a nutrient-packed meal. Avocados deliver key vitamins and minerals to fuel your brain and body. Think of it as giving your car premium gas instead of regular. Next up, your heart. Avocados are full of monounsaturated fats, the good kind that helps lower bad cholesterol. So, a slice of avocado toast, that's basically a hug for your heart. Trying to stay fit? Avocados keep you feeling full thanks to their fiber and healthy fats. You're less likely to grab that mid-morning donut. Win-win, right? Here's one for my friends watching their sugar intake. Avocados have a low glycemic index and help regulate blood sugar levels, so no energy crashes before lunch. Ever heard of lutein and zeaxanthin? These antioxidants, found in avocados, protect your eyes. Perfect if you're staring at screens all day. Want stronger bones? Avocados contain vitamin K and minerals like magnesium to keep your skeleton sturdy. Add them to your scrambled eggs, it's a game changer. Avocados are a fiber superstar, which means happy digestion and less bloating. Who doesn't want to feel great after breakfast? Last but not least, avocados help your skin glow. Thanks to their healthy fats and vitamins, your skin will look as radiant as you feel. Alright, so how do you add this magic fruit to your breakfast? Here's some quick ideas. Smash it on whole grain toast with a sprinkle of chili flakes. Blend it into your morning smoothie for a creamy texture. Dice it into your scrambled eggs or omelet for an extra nutrient boost. Trust me, once you start, you'll never go back. So, what do you think? Ready to level up your breakfast game with avocados? Let me know your favorite avocado recipes in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more health tips, and share this video with your fellow breakfast fans. Until next time, keep it healthy and delicious.